Welcome to the application of trigonometry. This is episode number 50 on the tutorial on trigonometry. So a boy which is 1 meter tall raises his eye through an angle of 45 degrees in order to see a bird perching on top of a tree. So if the boy is standing 5 meters away from the tree, how high is the bird from the ground? So they're just like the position of the tree, the height of the tree at which we can see the bird. So you can see that in this case it means between the bird and the tree and the boy, the tree will be taller. So let's make a sketch of how that will look like. So look at what we are having. This is the boy having a height. So the leg on the ground, the eyes or the head is here. He raised the head up. So the head is here. Eye is watching on this horizontal line. So he's raising the eye from this horizontal line in an angle of 45 degrees in order to see the bird above. So as you are standing, your height has a horizontal eye level. If you are to see horizontally with your eye, that is the eye level. If you raise it up, it means that your eye, the angle is formed from that horizontal level to where you are watching. So we are using, if your eye, I'm sure you're watching Superman movie. You see when the Superman have the eye with the rays on it. When you raise it up, you see that the straight line will be there, then it will move up. So the first straight line is the eye level. When you move up to destroy the object at the top, this line will also be there. So this is the angle through which it is raised. So that is the angle 45. Then, since this is the boy, the length is 1 meter. This will also be 1 meter because this forms a rectangle. Then we need to know the distance from the eye level to where the bird is on the tree. That area is where the application of what? Trigonometry is going to be applied. So this is the opposite side. Then this is going to be the adjacent. And what is the value of adjacent? We are told that if the boy is standing 5 meters away from the tree, the boy is here. Here is going to be 5 meters. So the boy is 5 meters away, which is the same as here to be 5 meters. So this is our adjacent. These are what? Hypotenuse. But if you look through, we need only the opposite and the adjacent in this calculation. So we go for the acronym that have only OA. That will be TOA, tan. So I should be having the tan of the angle 45 degree is equals to the opposite side x over the hypotenuse, now over the adjacent, which is going to be what? 5. So by cross multiplication, your x will become 5, the tan of what? 45 degree. Remember, tan 45 is 1. So this gives us 5 times 1, which is 5 in what? Meters. So the height from the eye level to the bird is 5 meters. But we are looking at for how high is the bird from the ground, including the height of the boy. So we can say that therefore the bird is going to be 6 meters. But let me put it here as 5 plus 1 meters, which is what? 6 meters what? High. Above what? The ground. So the height of the bird is going to be 6 meters, since this is the height of the boy, and the height above the eye level of the, or from the height of the boy to where the bird is. This is just a simple application. The question might seem long, but the moment the diagram is drawn correctly, then the application can be done to get your answer. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.